Everybody dream different for this life. Oh. You see, as person the reason say, I won't be doctor, I won't be nurse. Now so person self sit down, gotta say, your own dream for this life now to become thief. Oh, and I don't hear this kind of thing rich. Person just decide say he won't be thief. Hey, they just arrest this man. Now this man can't confess. Say, in fact, since when he don't be 7 years old, now he don't they do this thief business. Hey, see person vision and goal. Say in fact, in plan say he one day very popular with this thieving business. Say one day as popular as Ishola Oyenusi and Shino Rambo. Hey, this kind. In fact, some people reasoning. I know they understand. This man when he name now Benga Kikiowo. In the name Kikiowo. That's why we say they're born inside wealth. Money dey nyafu. But upon say this money day, you still decide say you want the thief. I bet now your family just want disgrace. I bet because I don't see the reason. Where we say you go the thief. If you tell your family say I beg I need this money, I sure say they go gather this thing. Give you. But because of say longer throat, now make you do this kind of thing. But as the matter be in no day, this man can't talk say I send them inside prison. The blind say God can't touch this man's life. Hey, God enter his soul. This man can't start to the go prison fellowship. I've been a church fellowship inside there. Say you know even thing na dear Pastor Adeboye. Come appear to them. That one a Redeemed Christian Church of God, their overseer. Come appear to them and say pray for them, pray for them. Say you know even thing na there they release this man. And I say as God they work. But as they release this man, due to longer truth, this man no stay one place. This man can't go RCCG branch for Akure. Go talk in testimony, say, as Pastor Adeboye pray for them, now there they release them. Then these people can't see and say, this one a better testimony. In fact, they do mistake. They can't go accept this guy, put for their place. Keep this guy inside rehabilitation centers, making the day. This guy, because of say, he no get patience. He knows how many more. This boy don't go to Pastor Keke na pep. This man gather mind. You go carry Pastor Keke. You never pity yourself say no they use motor. Tricycle, Keke na pep. Now you can't holding the Keke. Now you carry say you want thief am say because of say they no give you better work. I beg which kind of work did they give thief? So people go first reason you first assess you follow you talk say okay this thief this thing don't come out for your body. Before they go find work for you. Now you can't say they no do am quick. You can't carry this thing. Run, go sell and come out from there. Now there police can go bust this guy again for another place. And this one now international level now he enter. They see him with gun. Hey, and he talk say this gun way ho. He be one use am advance. See person mind. He be one use am go international places before they can even catch him. Say God don't even tell and say for them to blow. Now two tiffin work. Some people in their brain one screw don't miss. Say now if you thief now ain't go take popular. In fact forget that you don't blow. This why you don't talk to celebrity robber because everybody don't know you. Say he won't be like Shino Rambo. He won't be like Mufu Olosha. All this kind. See person role model. People will be saying if person hear this name, if you go jackpot, terrorist. Now this man can't decide say now these people now you won't use take. See person boyfriend. And one girl now go to date this kind of man like this. So they go to buy things, but she no go no say all this kind of money. Now thief place now they come aside from. I sure say this boy in village people they follow him. Because if your village people know they follow, if juju know they involved, and no sure a person with the right state of mind go they reason this kind of thing. You know, say motivation, no. Say the kind of people where they motivate this kind of man, thief people. Now they motivate. In fact, in this kind of matter, it tire me. My people now go judge this kind of one, so I don't bring and come on the side. Make myself judge them. This kind of way this, I no sure say in the okay. I sure say something. They were ego they involved. Something else they inside. My people, I beg anything when I feel, make a write them inside the comment section. Then we go answer on one by one. Make not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody self go see what we yarn about. I go see you for the next video.